Alrighty, finally all my parts are here that I'm gonna use to build my first PC. Okay, let's straight go with it. First thing first, the CPU that I'm gonna use will be the Ryzen 5 9600X. The motherboard I'm gonna use is the Gigabyte Gaming X BA50. Next up is the AMD RX 9060 XT. With this, I've got the 32 gigs of RAM. I don't know, XPG ADATA XPC Lancer Blade. And I'm gonna use for my storage NVMe M2 SSD, 1 terabyte of NVMe. For my fan, where is my fan? Alright, for my fan, I got a Liquid CP Cooler LE240 by Deku. Alright, that's my. And for my power supply, I'm going with the 750 pin 750M. I don't know. It's my first time building it. That's the motherboard. Okay, first time opening the box. Holy. Alright, let's. Okay, we don't need this. Alright. I've watched few of the PC build videos, so let's go with the RAM. So A2 and B2 is the okay. So next up is the NVMe. Does it? Okay, alright, went in. Next up, we get a cooler. Try to get the cooler. Okay, finally got the shield in. So you can see, I'm gonna put this first. Finally, the CPU is attached. Up only. I don't know what to do after this. Other way. Now we've got the case. Let's peel this case. Okay. Okay. I think that's how we do it. We get this. Okay. Slide it. Holy, this is heavy. Anyway. Alright, finally I got the cooler inside. Now I'm gonna try to store my power supply. Alright, finally the setup is done. I showed it to the tech guy, so they said something when I put the cooler in, something must have been loose, but they put it back and it just worked. So just gonna take this out. This paper is supposed to get, oh yeah, this one. Ooh, this one. This one. Wait, huh? Where's the paper? So I'll install the drivers. Just put it here. Okay. So it's running fine. Finally, the build is done.